channel, and if you're new here, welcome sis. My name is Yap. I know y'all see that title and I know y'all see me. I obviously look completely different, and as y'all could read by the title, I'll be doing a catfishing video. Now honestly, I don't know why or where this idea came from. Like, I was just tired of the same black hair, the same natural bun, the same eye color and all that. I just wanted to see if I could completely transform myself, and I feel like I did a good job. Like, I don't recognize myself. I feel like I look like completely different. This video is also sponsored by Ttdeye. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over 4 color contacts, but today I'll only be using 1 pair. I believe I used the color Trinity Green, and it's this pretty like green brownish color. I'll leave a link to all the colors that they sent me in the description box below. Make sure y'all use that link to cop up and get your color contacts. They feel really good. They're really comfortable. I don't really wear color contacts. I think I tried them like one time before this. They're also having a Black Friday sale coming up very soon, so make sure you guys check that out too if you want a good deal on some good safe colored contacts. Now before we hop into this transformation video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me down in the comment section below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at YapMUA and follow me on Snapchat at YapYap16. Just a little disclaimer, I did do my wig install off camera, because if you didn't see my last video, go check it out. I did a video basically on how I installed this wig, where I got it from. All the details about this wig will be in my previous video. I'll leave a link to that in my description box as well. I just curled it off camera and added baby hairs per usual, so that's nothing that really needs a tutorial. I also did my brows off camera because that takes up a lot of time, and I have some very good in-depth brow tutorials. I have a client brow tutorial and I have a brow tutorial on myself, both on my channel as well. I'll leave that in the link in my description box too. So we're gonna hop right into this tutorial for real this time. I got it on, y'all. Here we go. like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me down in the comment section below. For all the people asking for like these low light tutorials and a whole bunch of other tutorials, they're coming, they're on the way. Trust me, I got y'all. You feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment down below what else you want to see, follow me on my social medias, and I'll talk to you guys in next week's video. Peace.